To convert this whole bracket into sine formula, which formula are we going to apply? Sine of a plus b's formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. That means I will write this as sine inverse. I want sine a. So here is sine a. So I'll write sine x here. Then I want cos b. So I will write 1 by root 2 here. Then I have one cos a. I'll write cos x here. Then this 1 by root 2 over here. Is this step understood? 5 plus 3 upon 2. How can you separate 5 plus 3 upon 2 as?
Upon 2 plus 3 upon 2.
5 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, right? The same way I can separate sin x upon root 2, cos x upon root 2. Is it fine? Now, this 1 by root 2, how? Yes, tell me.
So, can you explain this one more time?
Sure. Why not? Okay, I'm explaining once more. First and foremost thing that I need to remember in this is, I need to convert the sine inverse to sine. Agreed with that? So that this cancellation is possible.
Yes.
Then we need to identify which formula suits inside this bracket, and we need to identify sine of a plus b's formula. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now your task is, how will I convert such a big statement into this formula? Okay, so I'm going to add one more step. I will write this as sine inverse sine x upon root 2 plus cos x upon root 2. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Next step, I'll write it as sine inverse. Look here, I need sine a, so I'll write sine x first. I need cos b. I don't have cos b, but I'll write 1 by root 2 here. Cos x into 1 by root
2. Yes.
Now this can be written as sine inverse sine x plus cos pi by 4. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos x plus sine pi by 4. Admati, did you understand this? Both sine 45 and cos 45's value is 1 by root 2. And why did I do that way? Here cos and here sine. Why not both sine and one cos like that? According to this formula, I'm converting. I'm arranging this formula should come inside the bracket. So I can write this as sine inverse sine of a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, x plus pi by 4. Now I am very happy. Sine inverse sine can be cancelled. So you will get x plus pi by 4. So if you differentiate this, what will be your answer? Your derivative will be 1. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what are the things to remember here? Whenever you have sine inverse of a bracket like this, you need to convert it into sine of a plus b's formula if it is sine inverse. If the same question, if I ask you in cos, now my aim will be to make it into cos a plus b's formula or cos a minus b's formula. Have you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we write down this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. If y is equal to sine inverse sine x plus cos x upon root 2, find dy by dx. Then write method. Simplify using sine inverse of sine a plus b is equal to a plus b. This is a short thing that you must remember. How do you simplify this function? Simplify using sine inverse sine of a plus b is a plus b. Then what should I do first step? Write the question once again. One of you can tell me what next step will be sine inverse. What should I do next step? Tell me. We need to bring sine A plus B's formula. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. In this format, we have to arrange it. This format, we have to arrange it. So sine A is sine X. Then 1 by root 2 plus cos X into 1 by root 2. Then what we'll do after this? This 1 by root 2, how will you write it? Sine pi by
Cos
4.
pi by sine pi.
Cos pi by 4.
Cos pi by.
Yes, cos pi by 4. Because we need cos second term. Cos X into sine pi by 4. So that this will become sine inverse sine of X plus pi by 4. Now sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So we can write X plus pi by 4. Then differentiating. You get 1. Y is equal to cos inverse cos X, root 3 cos X minus sin X upon 2. Now, how do you simplify this? How will you simplify this?
Cos A plus B.
Yeah, we will use, so method you write. Simplify using cos inverse cos of A plus B is equal to A plus B. So Y is equal to, can somebody speak with me, Paridita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me what should I write next step?
First, the question we have to copy.
Yeah, okay.
Then cos inverse of root 3 by 2.
Into cos X. We will prefer to write cos X
Cos
first
X first, and then
and root 3 by 2. Even if you do other way, no problem. It will be better. That's it. There's no reason behind it.
into 1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now you must have noticed one speciality with these numbers.
Yes.
They are the sides of a right angle triangle.
Cos
2,
30.
3, 1, 2. And naturally, what will be this angle? Can you tell me? Side opposite to the hypotenuse half means this will be 30 degrees, no?
Yes, sir.
So naturally, sine 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now, why do I go here for cos 30? I could have also gone for sine 60 here. I need cos A plus B formula.
Cos terms.
So I need cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. As per my need, I'm converting it. So I will be writing here cos inverse cos X into cos pi by 6 minus sin X into sin pi by 6. Is it fine? So did you notice that this time, because outside is cos inverse, I need to make it into cos formula. And cos formula has got cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B formula. Yes, Keval, your answer is perfectly right. Cos of X plus pi by 6. So it became X plus pi by 6. Therefore, dy by dx is 1. Yes, Chirag. You will get x plus 5 by 6 and you differentiate 1. Yeah, good. I hope you are getting the idea of doing this type of problem. All of you ready? Can we teach you next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm going to teach you another type. Sine inverse 3 sine x plus 4 cos x divided by 5. Find dy by dx. Here, what is the problem is, this 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are not any particular angle's value, right now. But we can say so much. If this angle is some theta, this is 3, this is 4, 3 square plus 4 square is 25, which is 5 square. So by Pythagoras theorem, 3, 4, 5 will form a right angle triangle. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that means there'll be some value. I don't know the exact value, maybe 23.27 degrees. Some angle is there whose cos value is 3 by 5 and whose sine value is 4 by 5. Do you agree with the statement? How much is a value? I do not know. To make it clear that it's a constant value, a fixed number, I'm denoting by A. Any alphabet you can use. Usually we use theta is looked as a variable, so to avoid that. So what I'm going to do here, sine inverse sine x into 3 by 5 plus cos x into 4 by 5. Now this can be written as sine inverse. Tell me, what should I write instead of this?
A.
Cos A. So I can write this as sine x into cos A plus cos x into sine A. So what is the value of A? We do not know. But how much it is? Some number. 27 degrees or 20 or 30.2 degrees, like that. Some angle is there. So sine inverse sine of x plus A. Now sine inverse sine will get cancelled. X plus A. So dy by dx is equal to 1. Yes, Jay, fine. I hope everybody understood this technique.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to teach you my last problem of this kind. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down this question. Fairness.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, you can get that before page. I have not written that.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Problem in answer. Okay. Y is equal to cosec inverse 10 upon 6 sine 2 raised to x minus 8 cos 2 raised to x. Find dy by dx. So my homework will have like this type of problem. First and foremost thing, what should I do? Tell me.
Convert to sine inverse.
Yes, convert into sine inverse. So the numerator becomes 6 sine 2 raised to x minus 8 cos 2 raised to x divided by 10. That became sine inverse. Now look at the 6, 8, and 10. 6, 8, and 10. Do they form a right angle triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 36 plus 64 is 100, no? So they form a right angle triangle. If you want, you can simplify it. So I'll write sine first. So sine of 2 raised to x into 6 by 10 minus cos of 2 raised to x into 8 by 10. Now I can write this as some cos A and this as some sine A. Do you agree with this statement? If I take this angle as A, cos A will be 6 by 10 and sine A will be 8 by 10. So I can write this as sine inverse sine of 2 raised to x minus cos of 2 raised to x like this. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So this became sine inverse of sine of 2 raised to x minus a this time. Yes, Chirag, you're perfectly right. So that became 2 raised to x minus a. Note what is a? A is a constant. A constant angle is a. So don't derivative of that will be 0. Yes, Raj, you are perfectly right. So dy by dx will be 2 raised to x log. Good. I'm so nice to see. Kevil given answer, Glevin given answer, Raj given answer. Chirag was the first to give, Ashish given. Very good. Excellent. That nice. Then cos 2 theta has got cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square. You may be wondering why sir is writing all this. Because without having this vision in front of you, these problems cannot be solved. Sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Then cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. There are more formulae, but for teaching you, I'm just restricting myself to these many formulae. Now I'm going to give you a question like this. If y is equal to sine inverse 2 log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square, find dy by dx. So what you have to do here is, how will I simplify this? Direct derivative, if I'm supposed doing direct derivative, it would have been 1 upon root of 1 minus 2 log x. Then its derivative will go mad. Am I right or wrong? It's too complicated. But if you look at this properly, you can compare this formula and this bracket. Right now? When you
Yes, sir.
compare, what do you
Yes,
notice?
sir.
What do you notice? In place of what? In place of, if you compare
In
this
place
to
of
formula,
tan, there is log.
log. So your substitution is put log x as tan theta. And this theta will be removed after I simplify. For simplification only, I'm substituting. So I will remove theta as tan inverse log x. Do you agree with the statement so much I've written? Now what happens to y? Just see what happens to y. So y will be sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And that became sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Agreed? Everybody should tell me
Yes,
if any difficulty.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That became 2 theta. I cannot differentiate with respect to theta. I have to differentiate with respect to x. So what I'll do, I will remove this theta using this tan inverse log x. Now you will differentiate it. So dy by dx will be 2 times d by dx of tan inverse log x. So my answer will become 2 into 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square into derivative of log x. So my final answer will be 2 upon x into 1 plus log x the whole square. Have you got this idea or did not get the idea?
understood.
Now compare which formula out of this what is written here will match with this bracket.
Cos 2 theta.
Which one?
Second one.
Which, and I didn't get you.
Cos 2 theta one.
Cos 2 theta has got 4 formula. Which formula?
Last one.
The last one.
Very good. We can easily identify that this and this have similarity. So in place of x, what do you want? So in place of x, what do you want? If I want to bring this formula inside this bracket, in place of
Tan
x,
square theta.
so put x equal to tan square theta. Did you understand how to do the substitution? Now you have another task to do. You have to make theta as a subject. X is tan square theta. You can't take this tan to other side with the square over here. So remove the square. So root x is tan theta. Now transfer this to the other side. So theta is tan inverse root x. Is it fine?
Yes.
So much is clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now we can substitute. Therefore, y is equal to sine inverse in place of x tan square theta. That is sine inverse of cos 2 theta. Is it fine? That became sine inverse of, somebody help me after this, how to simplify further?
Pi by 2. Sine
Sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So sine inverse sine cancel ho gaya. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now I cannot differentiate with theta. I have to differentiate with respect to x. I have to differentiate with respect to x. So make it into x. Theta ka jagah tan inverse root x. Now differentiate. dy by dx is equal to pi by 2's derivative 0 minus 2 into d by dx of tan inverse root x. Now give me the answer for derivative of tan inverse root x. Yes, who has given the first? Tan inverse, Jeff full is not there. Paridita, yes, correct. Yes, Kashish, you are perfect. Yes. So your answer will be minus 2 into 2 is missed out. Paridita, yeah, 2 root x 2 got cancels. Correct. Okay. 1 upon 1 plus root x the whole square into d by dx of root x. So your answer became minus 2 upon 1 plus x into 1 by 2 root x. This 2 and this 2 got cancelled. Minus 1 upon root x into 1 plus x. So nice to see you giving me the answer. Yes. Chirag, Ashish, Jeff. Jeff only just forgot that.
Yes, sir.
X. Yeah. Good. Very good. I'm happy that you are all alert and answering me. That is more important than whether it's having an error or not. I hope you are getting the technique here.
Sir, we will write e raised to minus x as 1 upon e raised to x, and then we will
Why did
take
you do
the-
that?
So we can take the LCM and we will get the formula of cos 2 theta 1
Ah.
minus tan square theta.
Yeah. Basically, Kevil, but actually what you are doing is you are making everything in one term. Change all to e raised to x. Every term should be in one term, because if I'm substituting in one place x as tan theta, other place also I have to replace x as tan theta only. If one place I'm replacing x as cos theta, everywhere I have to replace x by cos theta only. So because I have e raised to minus x here, make it all in one term. I hope you understood what you mean by one term. अगर अलग अलग टर्म है तो एक जैसा सबको बना दो. When you do that, what happens? Cos inverse, when you take LCM, 1 minus e raised to x the whole square divided by 1 plus e raised to x the whole square. I hope you understood here. 1 minus e raised to x the whole square upon e raised to x, 1 plus e raised to x the whole square upon e raised to x. So this and this will get cancelled. I don't think now you need my help to do it. Austin? Austin,
Yes, sir.
what is the substitution?
1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta.
So what is the substitution? What are you going to replace? Substitute. What is substitution means? What you are replacing by what?
E raised to x by tan x, tan theta.
Yeah, put e raised to x equal to tan theta. One thing to notice, if you're using x here, don't use the same letter here. Use some other letter.
Yes, sir.
That's why we are using tan theta. So theta is tan inverse
e raised to x.
So y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Yes, that is too good. Excellent. That is 2 theta. That is 2 tan inverse e raised to x. So dy by dx is 2 into d by dx of S J Chavan. Good. Excellent. So the final answer would be 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus e raised to x the whole square into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Yes, Parinita, good. Jay, good. Chirag, good. Good. Nice. So put x as sine theta. So theta is sine inverse x. So we can write our solution as y is equal to cos inverse 2 sine theta in the root of 1 minus sine square theta. So cos inverse of 2 sine theta cos theta. That is cos inverse of sine 2 theta. That is cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. That is pi by 2 minus 2 theta. That is y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 sine inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, get your answer. Yes, who is the first to give the answer? Yes, Kashish has given. Yes, Raj, good. Raj पे एकदम फटाक करके दिए. 0 minus 2 upon 2.16. Yes, Austin, good. Now I'm going to add one more question. Whose formula is not there in the list? Because it is tan inverse, the formula is not in the list. Yes, Jay Chavan, good. Here, whatever the formula I have written here is applicable only for sine and cos. When it is sine inverse and when it's cos inverse. Are you ready? Can we start? Atharva?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can anybody tell me? Any idea? The formula is not there in the list. That's only the hint for it. Which formula is not there in the list?
So 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x.
Yeah, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. And 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So if you replace this, what you'll get? Tan inverse root of, I didn't write that, sorry. I didn't write put x equal to cos theta. So put x equal to cos theta. Therefore, theta is cos inverse x. Now, please do it yourself. I'm giving some time for you to do. Yes, who has given the answer? Yes, Parinita, very good. Okay, so it became y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Please post your answers, those who have got. By the time I complete, please post your answer. So tan inverse of root of 2 sine square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2. That is tan inverse of 2 got cancelled, square and square root got cancelled, become tan theta by 2. That became theta by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into theta is cos inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is 1 by 2 into derivative of cos inverse x. 1 by 2 into minus 1 upon root 1 minus x. Let me see how many of you have given the answer correct. 6 students are given. Oh, very good. Lot of students are given. Yes. So question is y is equal to cos inverse 4 e raised to 3x minus 3 e raised to x. So the formula that you are identifying here is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta. So e raised to x is e raised to x 3 e raised to 3x is nothing but e raised to x the whole cube. So that's how you bring cube there. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos inverse cos 3 theta. That is 3 theta. That is 3 cos inverse e raised to x. Let me see how many of you have done correctly derivative. 4 students are given. Yes, Kashish. Okay. Kevil. Raj, Chirag. Very good. So your dy by dx would be minus 3 into 1 upon root 1 minus e raised to x the whole square into derivative of e raised to x. So minus 3 upon root of 1 minus e raised to 2x you can write into e raised to x.
Thank you.
Right, sir.